Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to apply epoxy over your wood surface. Now I'm gonna be working on the sides of this countertop and I wanna make them the same on all sides. I'm using 1x3 oak boards. And when it's ready, now I can start sanding this surface. For sanding I'm using 100 grade sanding block. When you finish the first sanding, you need to clean the surface, and now you can start the second final sanding. And this is the result after the second sanding. For the bone coat I'm using Zinsser primer and I'm gonna be applying it with foam roller. I did apply 2 coats of primer, and because the job will be a bit messy, I'm gonna be using plastic sheeting to protect this island and the flooring. Here I have epoxy and hardener, cups, a mixer. I have here some brushes, heat gun. This is the cheapest one that I found in Lowe's. I have foam rollers, some highlights, diamond silver pearl and katana gray. I have 2 bottles of white pigment and 1 black pigment. Also I have marble glitters and shadow gray highlight. So now I will start mixing epoxy and hardener. And when you mix epoxy and hardener, you'll have about 45 minutes until this product starts to harden. Also leave some epoxy in the cups so you can mix your pigments. And as a main color I'm using white, and just add white pigment in your epoxy. Now I'm pouring the base coat of epoxy on the top and leaving just a bit of epoxy in the bucket. When I finish with base coat, now I can start adding some highlights Now I'm dragging over the highlights with a brush, and it gives your countertop a natural look. To apply marble glitters, I add a bit of glitters in the bottle and add 91% of isopropyl alcohol. Shake it very well and apply it to the surface. Then remove bubbles with a gas torch. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.